Perki Restoration Trilogy takes it a step further by packaging multiple skincare products into a system that promises visible transformation. The real question is, does it actually deliver, or is it just clever bundling and marketing? Now, to be clear, skincare trilogies or kits aren't inherently fake. In fact, combining products like cleansers, serums, and moisturizers can improve results when the ingredients are well formulated and consistent. However, here's where things get questionable with Perki. What it does well: convenient, all-in-one routine. The Trilogy format gives you a full skincare system instead of mixing random products. Includes common active ingredients. Many kits like this use ingredients such as niacinamide, peptides, or hyaluronic acid, which can help with hydration and skin texture. Where it falls short: heavy marketing, limited transparency. There's very little detailed information about the brand, formulation standards, or clinical testing behind Perki products. Big discounts equals potential red flag. Listings often show steep price drops $299 to $99, which is a common tactic used by dropshipping or low-cost skincare brands. No strong clinical evidence. Unlike established skincare backed by studies, there's no solid proof that this trilogy delivers long-term restoration results. So is it worth it? Short answer: it's a maybe for basic skincare, but not for transformation. You might see hydration and minor skin improvements. You will not get dramatic skin restoration as advertised. Bottom line, the Perki Restoration Trilogy isn't clearly a scam, but leans heavily on marketing over proven results. It's essentially a basic skincare bundle sold as a premium transformation system. If you're expecting major anti-aging or skin repair effects, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.